Hello, I'm Gail Robinson, Deputy Inspector General at NASA's Office of Inspector General. In mid-November, we released our annual report discussing our view of the most serious management and performance challenges facing NASA. This year, the underlying theme is sustainability, specifically NASA's ability to sustain its ambitious exploration, science, and aeronautics programs will be driven in large measure by whether the agency is able to adequately fund and manage such high-profile initiatives as its commercial cargo and crew programs, Space Launch System rocket and Orion capsule, James Webb Space Telescope, Mars 2020 rover, and associated personnel and infrastructure. In what has become something of an unfortunate pattern, NASA began the fiscal year without a full-year appropriation, which makes long-range planning difficult. In addition, the agency faces significant budgetary challenges, given that its top-line funding level is likely to remain relatively flat for at least the next several years. Accordingly, we believe the principal challenge facing NASA leaders in fiscal year 2015 will be to effectively manage the agency's varied programs in an uncertain budget environment. In addition to this overarching challenge, NASA managers must address a myriad of individual agency, project, and facility-related challenges. In this year's report, we identified the following 7 top management and performance challenges facing NASA. Managing human space exploration programs, the International Space Station, commercial crew transportation, and the Space Launch System. Managing the agency's science portfolio. Ensuring the continued efficacy of the space communications networks. Overhauling NASA's information technology governance. Ensuring the security of NASA's information technology systems. Managing NASA's infrastructure and facilities. And ensuring the integrity of the contracting and grants process and proper use of Space Act agreements. Although most of these challenges are long-standing and likely to persist into the foreseeable future, we believe that with focused and sustained efforts, NASA can make significant strides in addressing each of them in the year ahead. Our office will continue our important oversight work in an effort to assist NASA and inform Congress and the public about the agency's progress. The OIG's full report can be found at our website, oig.nasa.gov.